Now, details of the CAG report that will be tabled in the Delhi Assembly today has been accessed by India Today. Lack of accountability with regards to the health schemes. Underutilization of the COVID emergency fund. That is something that will be tabled today. The delayed hospital projects, the cost that have now overrun. This is what the CAG report has been highlighting. Overall, there are 14 CAG reports which were supposed to be tabled when the Aam Aadmi Party was ruling the national capital, but these reports were not tabled. The first report with regards to the Liquorgate scam, with regards to the change that the Aam Aadmi Party had made in the liquor policy scam, that had been tabled, and now we will see the CAG report with regards to the health condition across the national capital is something that will be tabled today. How the underutilization of the COVID emergency fund took place when Aam Aadmi Party was ruling the national capital is something that we will see the CAG report speaking about. Failure to expand the hospital beds, that is also something that the CAG report speaks about. Various hospital projects have been delayed and the costs have now overrun. So this is the focus that we will see coming in from the Delhi Assembly today, and we have seen over the past many days a bitter battle is being fought. The BJP on one side, the Aam Aadmi Party on the other side. In fact, Aam Aadmi Party MLAs, all 22 of them, have been doing a dharna right outside the Delhi Assembly. They are being led by the leader of the opposition, Atishi. Atishi is claiming that the government is not listening to what the opposition has to say.
3 महीनों में पीएससी जो है इस पे सारी जांच करेगी। कहां कौन कौन इसका लाभार्थी है, अरविंद केजरीवाल जी कितने पैसे के लाभार्थी हैं, किस तरह से इस पॉलिसी को ट्वीट किया गया, किस तरह से इस पॉलिसी के अंदर 5% से 12% कमीशन दी गई और किन लोगों को बेनिफिट देने के लिए 70% शराब का काम दिया गया।
3 महीने का टाइम बाउंड जो बांधा गया है, क्या लगता है कि ये जांच बहुत तफ्तीशी के साथ बढ़ेगी, क्योंकि अब पीएससी के भी मेंबर्स भी चुनने जाने हैं?
जी बिल्कुल, अब 1-2 दिन में प्लेस हो जाएगी हाउस कमेटी भी, और उसके बाद पीएससी की कमेटी जो है 3 महीने में जब रिपोर्ट देगी तो उसके बाद अगली कार्रवाई भी देखेंगे। हम चाहेंगे कि किसी तरीके अरविंद केजरीवाल जी से सारे पैसे वसूले जाएं जो शराब घोटाले के उन्होंने लूटे हैं।
वो 700 करोड़ तो कोविड में उन्होंने घोटाले किए हैं। कई 100 करोड़ का उन्होंने दवाई में जो घोटाला किया है, ग्लव्स में घोटाला किया है, कॉटन में घोटाला किया है, उस सब की इंक्वायरी होगी, सबका जांच होगा। कैग की रिपोर्ट के बाद किसी को बख्शा नहीं जाएगा, उसके ऊपर उचित कार्रवाई होगी।
BJP leader RP Singh is now joining me on the story. Mr. Singh, clearly we are seeing the Aam Aadmi Party did not table the 14 CAG reports. The first of them has already been tabled. The report on the health is something that we will see being tabled today. The Aam Aadmi Party, however, has been maintaining that they did not indulge in any corruption, but the CAG reports are pointing otherwise. Can you hear me, Mr. Singh? What we will see today is a very stormy assembly session. The Aam Aadmi Party on one side, they have been indulging in a dharna. They have been saying that all the reports that are now being tabled, those reports are not correct reports. That is exactly what the Aam Aadmi Party has maintained over the past many months, that the CAG reports are not pointing towards the clear picture. My colleague Shreya Chatterjee is joining me on the story. Shreya, you have been on the ground, on the field, and you have seen how the Aam Aadmi Party, led by Atishi, have been doing a massive dharna almost every day, sitting outside the Delhi Assembly. They are claiming that the BJP is not giving them space. The BJP is saying those reports which were supposed to be tabled, we are only tabling those reports now.
Well, these are 14 CAG reports that we're talking about that were actually pending to be tabled in the Assembly. This is something that the CAG itself had also mentioned before the court. Now, we are seeing one report that's already been tabled, that's on the liquor policy. But now, today, we will be seeing another CAG report, which will be tabled. This will be talking about the 6 years of severe mismanagement, financial negligence, and lack of accountability in the Delhi's public healthcare system for the last 6 years. What essentially the report covers is how COVID emergency funds were underutilized. There was a failure to expand
RP Singh from the BJP is joining me on the story. Mr. Singh, the Aam Aadmi Party has been maintaining that these reports do not show the real picture, but the BJP is very clearly saying that these reports should have been tabled. We are only doing what should have been done.
Don't believe in the ambition. Don't believe in any constitutional body. The
We'll try and reconnect with BJP spokesperson RP Singh. The BJP, however, has been maintaining that in the national capital there has been corruption galore, which has been done by the Aam Aadmi Party, and massive corruption being done personally by the former Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. And these reports pointing towards that only. In the Delhi Assembly today, the CAG report on the health is something that will be tabled today, and this also will become the new bone of contention between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party. My colleague Shreya is still with me on the story. Shreya, the Aam Aadmi Party still in shock, could not believe what had happened in the national capital. But with regards to corruption, the BJP had always been maintaining its stance. They are saying that the Aam Aadmi Party has been massively corrupt.
Well, that's exactly the stand of the BJP. But just for our viewers, I was briefly highlighting what the CAG report will be highlighting today. This is something that India Today has accessed, and there are 14 large parameters that the CAG report will be touching about. One will be the underutilization of the COVID emergency funds, the failure to expand the bed capacities, delayed execution of hospital projects and cost overruns, acute shortage of healthcare workers, long surgery waiting times, non-utilization of critical hospital infrastructure, severe lack of specialist doctors in trauma centers. There are critical services missing in many hospitals. There are reports that's flagging that out of 27 hospitals, ICU is missing from 14 hospitals. So clearly, it's a glaring report, which will also be talking about the ambulances operating without essential equipment, underutilization of maternal health funds, failure of Central Procurement Agency to supply essential drugs, wasted government land for the hospitals. At least 15 plots that were acquired between 2007 to 2015 remain unused. Apart from that, it will also be touching about the poor infrastructure in Mohalla clinics and Ayush dispensaries.
Shreya, one thing that the Aam Aadmi Party has also been speaking about is the fact that all these CAG reports do not paint the correct picture, and that's the reason why they did not table them. The BJP on the other side is saying that it's only the corruption which the CAG report is highlighting, and it is something that the Aam Aadmi Party led by Arvind Kejriwal and all the other top leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party, they were a part of this corruption. In fact, we've also seen the BJP go a step ahead and say that Arvind Kejriwal should be arrested once again and should be sent back to the Tihar jail.
Well, absolutely. There's been a messaging from the BJP ever since they won the Delhi elections. They've very categorically said that those who've looted the people of Delhi will be avenged. That's what the Prime Minister said. Everyone's echoing the same. The BJP is very clear. They will be going against the Aam Aadmi Party one by one on every aspect. We've seen it on the excise policy. We will be seeing it on health today. In the coming days, there will be more CAG reports that will be talking about the way the vehicular emission, the pollution was to control. That did not happen. There will be a CAG report on the Sheesh Mahal issue. There will be CAG reports on the financial condition. So that will also be something that we will be seeing. So at least 14 reports pending, 5 from 2022, 5 from 2023 and 4 from 2024. The health report was prepared in 2024 and it will be tabled today in the Assembly.
Right, Shreya, one of the other things that, because you have been on the ground and you have seen what the Aam Aadmi Party has been saying, they are now indulging in a massive dharna. They all sit outside, Atishi then from the floor makes slogans. What is it that the Aam Aadmi Party wants now?
This happened on the time when the liquor policy report was to be tabled. Subsequently, Atishi and the Aam Aadmi Party MLA suggested that the BJP is anti-Dalit and anti-Sikh because allegedly the photos of B.R. Ambedkar and Bhagat Singh were missing. This despite the BJP putting out images that all these photos were very much there. And despite that, the show was there inside the Assembly, which led to the Speaker suspending 21 of the MLAs, barring Amanatullah Khan, who was not present during the session. And that's why yesterday, when they were not allowed inside the premise, they suggested that this is something which is unprecedented, happening for the first time. But when the same was raised inside the House by Amanatullah Khan, the Speaker read it from the rule book that by the Assembly, it also defines the premises, and that's exactly why they have been kept away. So this is something which will stay. Yesterday, the dharna lasted for 7 hours, post which they called off the dharna.
Thank you, Shreya, giving us those details. My colleague also saying that these dharnas have been going on for quite some time right outside the Delhi Assembly, and this is what is expected even today as the CAG report on health will be tabled in the Delhi Assembly.